Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So we know that now we cannot ask questions on Quora and make money, but if you are writing answers on Quora and if you turn on the monetization option, so all your content can make money. Okay, so you can see it right here, all my content that I have written so far. So I have turned on the monetization for all these content. Suppose if you are checking any of my answer that is being monetized, and if you are reading it maybe after 6 to 7 lines, they'll ask you to subscribe for my say answer, or on a monthly basis there is a fixed amount that I have set. Okay, so you can also do it for your Quora answer if you have good number of followers. And if you don't have good number of followers on Quora, so I would suggest you to write some intriguing answers. Look for topics, say 10 photos or a screenshot that made you proud about India, something like this. Look for various kind of answers where you can get million of views, and also check the number of answers. Suppose it should be 100 plus. If any question, if I talk about, let's see a few options. Okay, if I talk about this, so this I got 32.4k upvotes, and in order to get it we need to understand if any question is having around 100 plus answer, 50 plus answer, that then you should cover these kind of questions. Okay, so you can see this, there are a lot of and also you can understand whether your answer will be going viral or it will work well or not by checking a few answers that are being written. If I talk about this question, so for first answer she has got 972. For my answer I have got 32.4 votes, and for this praise she has got 25.3k votes. Okay, so you can understand the caliber, or say the amount, the audience part. Okay, how huge is audience right here. So you need to cover these kind of questions where you can cover questions to gain huge audience. Okay, so try to look for these kind of questions, and once you write for this, then you need to go downside. From there you can get some suggested. Now you can see 5.8 million views. Okay, so 18.5 million views, 37.9 million views. You need to cover these kind of questions also, where if that question is getting million of views, that means that question has great say potential to make your answer viral, or to make you get good number of votes. Okay, so yeah, and once you write your answer, then after maybe 1 month or 2 months you will be getting good number of followers. Once you get around 2 to 3k followers on Quora, then you can turn on the monetization for all your answers, because people will get to know how good your answer will be, and they will be willingly pay for your answers to read the stories. And here on Quora, people try to understand others perspective. It's not like if I am looking for something on Google, that is different, but when we look for something on Quora, so it's like our personal experiences. Okay, so yeah, just try to do it, and trust me, it's a long process. Maybe it will take maybe years or 2 years, maybe 3 or 6 months. It will depend on your writing potential. Okay, but trust me, this journey is too smooth. Once you'll get into it, once you'll understand how it is working, what kind of questions you need to cover, once you will put your heart into your answers, it's not like you will be using ChatGPT or Google document Gemini, that I have made a few videos to generate from content from there. But on Quora, it should be very much human generated content, so your answer should be in flow, like you have experienced something and then you are sharing it with the world. So try to write these kind of answers. Okay, don't use any Google document or something like this, but try to be a bit genuine and write your own answers. Okay, yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, just stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.